Welcome everyone, this is Vlogs of an Idol. My name is Joen. So Haylou released another addition to their GT1 series. Dinata nila tinuloy yung sa GT2 kasi ang pangit lang naman tignan nung earbuds na yun at parang knock-off lang rin siya ng GT1. Hindi na nila na-innovate yung ganong design kasi kung makikita nyo yung design ng GT2 parang introducing the Haylou GT1 XR. Hindi nyo makita? The Haylou GT1 XR is their minor upgrade to the late GT1 Plus, which has the aptX codec and the Qualcomm chipset, same as the Mezone B6, but the design and battery capacity of the GT1 Pro. For today's Monday Tech Day, we'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Haylou GT1 XR. So ayan, medyo glossy na naman siya. Super excited to try one of these kasi for the price of 1,119 SRP, maaari mo na makuha ang music experience na binibigay ng Mezone B6 without having the discomfort for it being a Haylou GT1 design. So without further ado, here's the unboxing. So here is the package. Before we open it, let's use some alcohol para safe lang kasi sabi daw ni Bitoy, nakuha niya daw yung sakit niya sa deliveries eh. Let's open up the package. Right there. At ayan, inside there is a pouch, libreng-libre, and here is the Haylou. Wow! Di siya katulad ng GT1 Pro na gray. Here's the comparison. On the right is the GT1 Pro and on the left is the XR. Sa XR, all white siya. Pagdating naman dito sa GT1 Pro, ay gray, tas may sleeve siya. And at the sides, we can see QR code. On the right side, ayan, yung specs. Bluetooth 5.0, large capacity battery, smart touch controls, and battery level display. And at the back, ayan, Chinese characters na hindi natin naintindihan. So, yun, that's it. Mukhang sleeve rin siya, katulad ng GT1 Pro. Buksan natin. Ayan, take out the plastic, push the sleeve, natin siya bubuksan at pagka-open, here is the case, meron siyang plastic sleeve, tanggalin natin. Ayan. Ayan, sa taas, makikita natin yung logo ng Haylou. At the bottom, ayan, may mga camera root. And at the back, micro USB pa rin siya. Sad. Wow, ang liit ah. Hindi na ako sanay sa feel niya. Buksan natin. Makikita natin nasa loob ang buds. Ito ang LED indicator niya, 4. Meaning ganyan, ayan, alam natin. Yan, hindi, alam ko na rin. And ayan, sa loob ng box, meron pa tayo sa pang box ulit. At ayan, inside is the micro USB cord. It's micro USB. And ear tips. So, meron siyang small, medium, large ear tips. Kung nanonood kayo ng mga videos ko, alam niyo na small ear tips yung bagay sa akin. Ayan. Ayan. Meron pa sa box, pagkakuha natin ng styrofoam, dito ang manual or guide. So ayan, kung gusto nyo mabasa, nothing else, wala na nasa loob ng box. Let's take them out. So ayan sila. Tanggalin natin yung cover. Let's check kung nag-charge pa siya sa case. Ayan. At ayan, they're not lighting up. Wow. Oh, there it is. There we go. Ayan. Konting push lang. Common issue na yan sa Haylou. Minsan kailangan pa i-push yung left bud para mag-charge. So, ayan. Working naman siya. So, that's it. That's the unboxing of the Haylou GT1 XR. Yan. Nakalimutan ko, XR na nga pala to. Hindi na to Pro.
So here's my first impressions.
The look and feel is pretty much like the Haylou GT1 Pro. Wala talagang pinagkaiba sa design, sa battery capacity, parehas sa parehas talaga. Pinagkaiba lang naman nila dito is that it has an upgraded chipset and codec. Wala na ako gaano dapat sabihin dito kasi we've already discussed my experience on the Haylou GT1 Pro at wala naman silang pinagkaiba gaano. Pinagkaiba lang talaga nila is yung chipset tsaka yung codec. At yun, paulit-ulit ko na nga lang na-mention na yun lang kasi lang talaga yung pinagkaiba nila. At we've already discussed this on my Haylou GT1 review. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll have to try out these earphones, kung ano bang overall experience sa akin. So you'll just await the review kung gusto nyo pang malaman yun. So for the meantime, pag-giveaway na natin siya. Here's a little appreciation para sa ating 300 subscribers na natili pa rin kahit na ang dami kong hate na nakuha mula doon sa past video ko, which is the mystery box comparison. Maraming nagalit, tinurn off ko na lang yung ratings pati comment kasi ewan ko, naiirita ako sa mga nagko-comment eh. TTS spotted. Celebration na din dahil nga umabot na tayo ng 300 subscribers at tulong na din to para ma-push na natin siya to reach 1,000. So I will be giving away this Haylou GT1 XR to one lucky subscriber. All you have to do is click the subscribe button, ring the notifications bell, and like this video. After that, share this to your FB account with the hashtag VOAI, VOAI, which stands for Vlogs of an Idol, Road to 1K, and tag 3 friends. Next, follow me on Instagram at Squad Leader Joe. Makikita nyo naman siya, palagi siya nagsaslide every start of my video. And lastly, comment down below what tech should I review next and leave your IG handle para makontak ko kayo sakaling kayo na ang manalo sa giveaway. By the way, I will be asking for proofs kung sakaling kayo ang manalo. All mechanics should be done. Kung hindi, I will disqualify you. Kung nag-dislike ka rin sa mga past videos ko, lalong-lalo na dun sa mystery box comparison, hindi ka pwede sumali dito. I'll be announcing the winner once we reach 1,000 subscribers. So ayun, parang breakout na natin siya pag nag-open na sa monetization. Share nyo lang ng share para mapabilis natin matapos tong giveaway na to at ma-announce ko na rin kung sino mananalo. So that's it for the video guys. Ayun, share lang ng share at I hope ma-reach na natin yung quota natin kaagad. See you sa next video. Bye-bye!